In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a drop-down menu in Webflow. Before we dive in, let's start by opening up your browser and heading over to Google to search for Webflow. Once you land on the Webflow website, you have the option to log in or sign up, depending on whether you already have an account. Just follow the prompts to complete this step, and you'll be set to go. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, navigate to the specific website you want to work on. Just click on it to open it up in the Webflow Designer. Now, with your website loaded, let's get to the task at hand, editing the drop-down menu. Look for the drop-down element within your design. When you've located it, simply click on it to select it. Now, to start making changes, you'll want to direct your attention to the right sidebar in the Webflow Designer. Here, you should see various tabs. Find and click on the one labeled Settings. This is where you can adjust configurations specific to your drop-down menu. In the Settings tab, look for the section labeled Drop-down. Click to expand this section, as this is where most of your menu modifications will happen. To actually interact with the contents of your drop-down, you need to make it visible first. Look for an option labeled Show beside the word Menu. By clicking that, you'll reveal the drop-down's contents, making it possible to see and interact with each link inside. Now that the contents are accessible, you can simply double-click on any of the links within the menu to edit the text. If you need to add new links, this can easily be done here as well. Additionally, if you need to rearrange the order of the elements, you can use the Navigator panel to drag and drop the items into your preferred positions. Appearance is important, and Webflow gives you a lot of freedom in customizing how your drop-down menu looks. You can switch over to the Style panel to make adjustments such as changing the background color, tweaking the padding, or modifying the font to better suit your design preferences. To add even more interactivity to your menu, consider using the Interactions panel to set triggers. This can include adding effects like hover or click interactions to control how and when the drop-down appears, providing a more dynamic user experience. Finally, once you've made all the desired changes and are satisfied with how everything looks and functions, don't forget this crucial step: publishing your changes. Click on the Publish button, and your updated drop-down menu will be live. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully edited your drop-down menu in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.